Star Atlas DAO as of now exchanges closed $32 Star Atlas Diopoulos records truly descending development today, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO in a real sense shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, or so they especially thought. Poly's very intraday volume fundamentally remains at $305,944, which sort of is genuinely critical. 5 Walk 2024. In this, we will fundamentally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these often generally clarified pressing issues facts, what most certainly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO truly is Poly's a genuinely wise speculation, which especially is very critical. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they essentially thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging extremely profound into the Poly's specialized examination, by and large let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $2,380,706.34.932, showing how's 05 Walk 2024. In this, we will especially walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost investigation for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time certainly clarified. Pressing issues facts, what truly is momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO truly is Poly's a wise venture, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The by and large absolute exchanging volume really remains at 222,460,527,066, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62,801.76 level after a decay of 5.71%. Sort of additional appearance how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Poly's specialized examination, basically let us essentially discuss the kind of current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.1% within a similar time span in a kind of significant manner. Sol, the very local coin of Solana, basically is up by 146 and right now exchanging at $132.35. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.61 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 5.96% in esteem in a sort of significant way. These occasions certainly show that the market truly is going in an especially descending bearing for most certainly present moment, which in a real sense is very critical. Right now, a truly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. Star Atlas DAO execution, the especially current Star Atlas DAO cost generally is $32, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 and in the by and large beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO right now exchanges closed $32 Star Atlas Diopoulos records. Commonly descending development today, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, Poly's basically is somewhere around 1.7% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD. So the truly all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $222,465,27-66 in an in every way that really matters significant way. Star Atlas really is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the juncture of best-in-class blockchain, continuous illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and sort of decentralized monetary advancements, which generally shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Ongoing illustrations innovation utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's nanite takes into account true-to-life quality computer game visuals, or so they generally thought. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out a generally serverless and gotten interactivity experience, so Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that imitates the substantial quality of especially true resources and proprietorship, which generally shows that Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The most effective method to, in every way that really matters, partake in an extremely enormous way. To offer during the AO sort of ensure you in a real sense read the standards underneath and certainly do the accompanying in advance. Register sort of your FTX account, and in a real sense submit kick level 2, exhibiting what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62,801.76 level after a decay of 571%, pretty further appearance how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Poli's specialized examination. Basically let us by and large discussion about the in every practical sense current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely huge. Because of a truly huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that really your kick will generally be by and large endorsed before the EO in a genuinely enormous manner. If it's not too much trouble, explicitly be encouraged to for the most part submit kick when genuinely conceivable and sort of get really supported to generally be entirely qualified for the EO. Exhibiting that as of now, Poli's truly is somewhere near 17% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $69.7256 USD. So the extremely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $222,460,527.066, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Note that you should have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to basically take part in the EO, and that you sort of get significantly more tickets in the event that you stake more. So Bitcoin shares 52.04% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, or so there for the most part thought. Set a caution ahead of time. The EO in a real sense starts at 2021's 8:26, 10:80 as an AM in a for the most part significant manner. Get ready assets to offer, at especially the most un-400 UST, and at most 500 UST and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT to basically secure in certainly your ticket portion 24 hours before the EO. The basically live Star Atlas DAO cost today, especially as DAOs on 40,678 est with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,130,641 est, exhibiting that Polis's kind of intraday volume in every practical sense remains at $305,944 most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. We fundamentally update our Polis to est cost continuously, sort of additional appearance House of 5 Walk 2024. In this we will walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on some things facts, what truly is. Genuinely momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, in a real sense is Poli's in all things considered, wise interest in a really significant way. Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is down 3.66% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, showing that Star Atlas DAO execution, the very current Star Atlas DAO cost basically